So today we will start simultaneous equation by graphic method. Why I have selected this particular topic? Because in SSC board, one question is that in which students are doing maximum to maximum rough work. When x coefficient is given, you are searching y. When y coefficient is given, you are searching x. At that time, backside to the graph, you are doing lots of hard work. How to reduce that rough work and how to save your time. So some simple example I will explain, and then I will give some sums to do in a homework. So first I will take equation in the form of y. At that time you have to consider coefficient of x first. Always 0, 1, 2, 3. To substitute 0 in any equation, it is easy. Orally you can do. For example, x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 1. And x is equal to 1, so 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. How much is the difference? 2 is the difference. It is in increasing. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So you will get the coordinate without rough work. One more example I will take. For example, y is equal to 3x plus 2. Again it is in the form of y. So take x, y, x, y. It is in the form of y. So you will take x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So substitute 0. You will get 2. Substitute 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. Now check the difference. 3 is the difference. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3. So your coordinate ready without rough work. Now suppose equation are in the form of x. For example, x is equal to 4y minus 1. So again xy, xy. Equation is in the form of x, so consider y first. 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, substitution of 0 is very easy. You will get minus 1. Substitution of 1, 4 ones are 4, minus 1. So 3. Now find out the gap. That gap is 4, increasing. Minus 1 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4. So your coordinates are ready. Again, I will take one more example for x equation. X is equal to 2x plus 3, for example. Again, x, y, x, y. Again, it is given in the form of x. Substitute for y first. 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is 0, then it is 3. If it is 1, 2 ones are 1 plus 3, 5. 2 is increasing. This plus this plus this. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Your coordinate is ready. Suppose the coefficient are the factor of c. For example, standard equation is what? Ax plus by is equal to c. If the equation is given in the form that a and b are the factor of c, for example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6. So at that time it is very easy to get two coordinate point to draw a line on a graph. See how it is. Consider A and B. Substitute x is equal to 0, substitute y is equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 6, so y is equal to 2. Suppose y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3. So on a graph, where is 0, 2? 0, 1, 2. 3, 0. Where is 3, 0? 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 0. Now join the line. One more example I will take, that 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. A and B are the factor of C. So again that method, P, Q. X is 0, y is 0. Suppose x is 0, 5y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 5. So how to draw this? Zero, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your P, that is 0, 4. This is your Q, that is 5, 0. And here that is A, 0, 2. And this is P, 3, 0. So by this you can reduce lots of rough work which you are doing backside to the graph. Directly draw the table. If equation is given in the form of y, consider x value first. If the equation is given in the form of x, consider y value first. And if both are the factor of c, a and b are the factor of c, by substituting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you can solve this example. So 1, 2, 3 types of more example I'll send you by WhatsApp for homework. Thank you.